This is the last walking with Angelo here in Guildford. Good afternoon, friends. We are here in Stoke Park Gardens and I woke up a little bit late today. It's already 1300s. We are going to start our walk here and then we are going to a place called Nature Reserve, and after that we are going to explore Guildford town proper. The weather today is around 20 degrees, a little bit cloudy, rainy, and it's not good for walks, but we are still going to do it, so come join me. Friends, after a few minutes of walk, we are already here in Riverside Nature Reserve. They call this as a wildlife haven on the fringe of Guildford. I'm excited to see the lake and the boardwalk, so let's see what we can explore here. So I've been here for an hour now and I cannot see any wildlife hanging around. Maybe because it's summer or they are scared of me. I don't know. I think that ends our nature reserve tour. I'm so starving right now and we are going back to Guildford Town Center. I'm just having a quick dinner before we continue to our tour. I ordered burger, bacon, and some onion rings and lemonade. This is that. Right now, friends, we are on our way to the Mount. It's a nice place. It got a nice view of Guildford Cathedral. I always go here just to take some pictures. We are already here at the top of the mount. As you can see on my side, that's the Guildford Cathedral, and that will be our last stop for today. Finally, we arrived here in Guildford Cathedral. This place was built around 1961. It's a nice place to go to because there's not much people hanging around here, and it got nice scenic views of houses and hills around. And it's already 8 in the evening and this is the end of our tour. I hope you guys like it, and this is also the last walking with Angelo here in Guildford. So thank you guys for supporting, and I hope you continue liking, commenting, subscribing, or do whatever you want. Until next time, bye.